Please, right now, we're canceling this. No one's staying here.
We came to a breakfast spot called Gravy not long after that, which made up for the massive disappointment of that hotel. And look at this French toast, it's so thick. And you see the crisp on that hash brown? This berry compote also really made my day. Right before this, I got the free breakfast at the hotel and found a hair in my pancake. And the pancakes were disgusting. Me, my brother and sister, we tried some drinks. I got a pineapple mimosa. Oh, super good. I'll give it an 8.2 out of 10. And this drink, if you really like Bacardi and coffee, I would rate it higher, but I don't like it, so 5.4. However, this coffee drink, forgot the name of it. It had Frangelico in it. Oh, I'll give it a 7.9.